This is question 1 of Civil Engineering General Aptitude section of GATE 2014 afternoon session. A student is required to demonstrate a high level of comprehension of the subject, especially in the social sciences. The word closest in meaning to comprehension is. So, there are 4 words given. We need to select which word is closest in meaning to comprehension with respect to the sentence given in this question. So, let us understand the meaning of each word first. So, comprehension means the ability to understand. The first word given in option is understanding. So, understanding meanings is also same, that is the ability to understand. So, we can say the comprehension and understanding, both the meaning of both this word is same. So, we can easily say here that understanding, this word understanding is closest in meaning to comprehension. However, check the other 3 meaning also. Meaning. So, meaning means sense, or we can say definition or explanation. The next word is concentration. Concentration means to concentrate, or the ability to concentrate or giving attention. So, we can say the ability to concentrate or giving attention to something. Stability means constant, or we can say the state of being steady. So, among these 4 words, we can see here the meaning, or the understanding is closest in meaning to comprehension, which means the ability to understand. So, here option A is the correct answer for this question. Thank you.